Alright everyone, now we're gonna make this effect. Yes, this video is actually inspired by Parry, and I watched his Instagram videos and I tried to copy what he does. To give you a clear picture how this illusion works, the first videos is actually divided into 3 parts. The first part is bed cover, second part is pillow, and the third part is the footage itself. The second video is also divided into 3 parts. Bolster, and the second one is the pillow, and the third one is the footage itself. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. This is the footage. I tried to find the in and out point. I throw it and fix the bed cover and walking away. That's the out point. I cut it and find when the time I leave the pillow. Alright, I cut it and place it above the first layer, so we're gonna have this kind of scene. After that, I mask the pillow frame by frame to cover my hand when I lifted the pillow. I'll tell you that it will be time consuming. You will spend a lot of time to doing this, but it's okay, just do it pretty rough. It's gonna be okay for this illusion. Alright, and now we're going to create a freeze image to cover the original pillow. Alright. Okay, it is still image and just a little bit longer. You just need to adjust the time. Here we go. So I actually reversed the speed and duration for the bed cover, so we just need to mask the bed cover, and we finally got this effect perfectly done. And what we're gonna do next is frame hold this and copy to the previous scene so it covers the original bed cover. And don't forget to adjust the time, so make sure that bed cover is following your finger. And you can see here there is a color difference because the lighting changed. I assume that it's because of the television or probably unstable lighting, I don't know. But what you need to do is just keyframe the brightness frame by frame, so it will minimize the color change. And the last thing you're gonna do is just put some sound effects, like bed cover sound effects that you can download it in YouTube, and just fix some things like color difference, and you got this. For the second video, I'm actually hiding in the cupboard door, not because I want to grab a book, but I want and I need to hide behind the cupboard door to move really to cover the poster and pillow, so I can jump into one scene to another scene without being noticed. So hopefully this video can help you to learn more illusions, and don't forget to happy editing, happy life!
you.